Here we are out west. Gonna chop down some firewood for tonight. We picked this fine specimen right here.
Oh, you're filming right now. Okay.
Right now we're fucking going. She's pretty tall, this one. So should heat us for the night. Fucking been a long winter for the saw. She hasn't been running a while. Fuck, get it. Try to get a good angle for this drop here. I'm gonna go that way. Got the Jeep parked up there. Another truck parked back here just at the entrance. Well, technical difficulties with the saw. We'll be back.